we're going to work on today is something called rudder stops. Right now it'll come up and it'll brush this elevator, so if I'm full rudder one way and elevator the other, it rubs, and that's no good. So we're going to put some stops in here to where it can't be done. And how I'm going to do this, because I'm by myself, is I've rigged up a little dowel here. I'm going to see where this touches the most, about there. I'm going to stick this sucker in there. Take me another piece of tape. To where it won't move. Because I can just see me working on the other end down there and having it fall out. So that gives me just what I need, just a little bit of room. And I'll do this for the other side as well. Alright, to show you what we're doing here, this is rudder stop. It's just a big old piece of all thread. This is rudder pedal. Rudder pedal should come up and touch that. Right now I'm at that stick at the back. I've got to make this piece right here touch this piece right here. So we're looking at a gap of about that much, which I think we can do. I don't have a problem with that. I got some ideas. Let's see how they work out. Okay, so today's plan is, that rudder stop is made from this all thread. This is 5/16 all thread. I've got a couple coupler nuts here, and they fit in like that, and they just screw back on. I've got a big thick wooden dowel, and what we're going to do with this dowel is we're going to drill a hole right at the bottom of that. We're going to fit this sucker in there, epoxy it, and we're going to drill way down so we can go there. And if you notice, I didn't make no exact measurements, so we're just going to have to figure it out. It's about that much, wasn't it? So we'll make it a little longer because we got some room to put in there. So let's make our highly scientific Sharpie mark here, and we'll cut this sucker. Let's see, I needed about that much, so we'll add about that again, much more. And we'll make us a Sharpie mark. And now we just got to cut it. Binga banga. Closer enough. Okay, let's look what we got here. Got me my mighty fine dowel. Or a mighty fine thing here. Got me a piece of all thread, put it in, measure it up, and it's about that much in there, and that gives me a lot of room to adjust, which is what I'm looking for, right? So this is what I'm going to do next. Oh, I can just drive that in there. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I had this big plan of reaming this hole out and doing a bunch of fancy stuff with it. But the truth of the matter is, I can just drive that sucker on in there. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. And it's going to be all right. So let's do that. Well, that's working like a fart in church. Of course, that one worked perfect. Look at that, it ain't going nowhere. Shoot, and all the pressure really is going to be going this way. So I'm not worried about this thing really coming loose, and we may wind up putting some Loctite on this. But anyhow, let's go put this sucker on and see what it does. Let's see how this looks. Huh. So we got this thing all measured up. Let's go ahead and crank it on down. Move this forward, and we're right at our stop. We're a little shy, but that's good. Well, a little shy is fine. We've got plenty of rudder. So all I got to do now is make the other one and put it on the other side. Pretty neat.